My name is Gabriel and I'm here to enlighten you with information I believe everybody should know. And today I wanted to talk to you guys about the benefits of meditation and how easy it could be done, so you could actually not be afraid to try it, and in most cases lazy. But in this video I'm going to tell you how easily it could be done, and you might find time to be able to try this practice. But before I get into all that, I want to tell you what meditation actually is. Meditation is an ancient wellness practice that focuses on training awareness, attention, and compassion. And throughout the years, there has been studies done with meditation, and the side effects of meditation is nothing but positive. Meditation helps reduce stress and is actually the most common reason why people begin to try meditation. It helps control anxiety because less stress equals less anxiety. Meditation also promotes emotional health, which is just a better out view of yourself and your own life in a positive way. It also enhances self-awareness. There's many forms of meditation, there's not just one, but there's some forms that help you somewhat develop a better understanding of yourself. So a better understanding of yourself means better choices and outcomes of your truest self, what you really want. To me at least, that makes sense. Meditation could also help lengthen attention span. It's kind of like training your mind just simply to pay attention. Because I've noticed this actually throughout my meditation practices throughout the year, especially in school when I used to go, I would easily get distracted. But as I kept meditating, I would easily remember things in class and actually start to pay attention. But that's just me. And the only way you could find out if that's actually true is if you do it. And of course, I'm going to put a description of the scientific experiments done with this meditation. I'm not just saying this out of my... Meditation might also reduce age-related memory loss, and this corresponds with the last one. But this meditation simply just trains and makes your brain and mind young. It's like working out your body. You work out every other muscle, you might as well work out your brain muscle. But the more you work it out, the better it feels. I guess you could say younger it looks. Meditation can actually generate kindness. This is simply towards yourself or others. And of course, there is different forms of meditation that can help with specific things such as this and the other examples that I'm bringing up. Meditation actually can help you fight addictions, which is simply just a dependency on specific substances, by simply increasing your self-control and awareness, which triggers addictive behaviors. And meditation could actually improve sleep. That is the best time to actually practice meditation, is when you are going to sleep, because when you first begin, you usually fall asleep. Whenever I first started, I would do it before I fell asleep, and I would sleep better, more rested. Meditation can also decrease blood pressure, which over a long period of time could help your heart, because that's what blood pressure is simply just your heart pumping through your veins to make blood pressure. Helps release and relax that muscle. And the last but least benefit of meditation is you could do it anywhere, anytime, whenever you feel like it. It's just the beginning steps that most people just don't take. But if you do, you will, and I promise you, will see a change in yourself. But what do I know? You can lead a horse to the water, but you cannot make the horse drink. Those are benefits of meditation. And there is so much more. Like literally I could make a very long video on how much more this could help you. And I'll put some links in the description of articles and studies done with this. And maybe throughout the video I'll throw up a couple pictures. But meditation for many people is difficult. But of course it's going to be difficult if you never try and practice. It's like a baby walking. It's not going to get it perfect the first time, of course, but that's what scares people, is failure and irritation, and especially the ego whenever you begin to meditate, because that slowly deteriorates. But meditation is very simple, and I'm going to tell you how you can begin. Try this whenever you are about to fall asleep. Just close your eyes, rest your body, and count your breaths. That's it. That is literally it. There's a lot more ways of meditation, but that is the most simple and easiest way for you to practice. And once you practice and become better, you could try other forms such as astral projection or lucid dreaming. But that's all I really wanted to say today. I hope this video brought an insight on a subject that might better your life if you actually are willing to take the first step. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to check out my other videos on enlightenment. But thank you for watching, and much love.